Okay, I'm shooting the Gamo RECON G2 WHISPER .177 caliber pellet rifle, break barrel. Today I put a little center point scope on it because the scope that came with it, green dot laser scope, was broke when I got it. I think Crossman sent me a replacement. I shot the some of the pellets that they gave me. Let's see what they are. They are the Gamo Hunters, and it looks like they are 7.56 grain. Okay, and I shot at 10, 15, 20, and 25 yards. I shot 3 shots at each bullseye on a rabbit, and I want to see the accuracy and the trajectory. There is a slight breeze going to the southeast, so might have a little drift in the pellets. Okay, so here's 10 yards right here. Each one of these marks is a ½ inch. So center to center, we got 3/8 of an inch there on those 3. All right. So 3/8 of an inch shot pattern at 10 yards. Yeah, it's pretty windy out here. Looks like we got a little over 1.5 inches there. Center to center. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's at 15 yards. At 20 yards. All right. Got 1, 2, 3. So we have a little under 1.5 inches at 20 yards. That's pretty good. Got one dead in the bullseye. No, I'm sorry. That's not the bullseye. It's not in the bullseye. We have 1.5 inches at 20 yards. Pretty good. $50 rifle. All right. 25 yards. Let's see how it did. Oh, we did better. Look at this. Just a tad over 1 inch at 20 yards. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Did better at 20 yards, 25 yards, I mean, than I did at 15 and 20. Oh, wow. Nice. So, you know, it's doing pretty good. I want to see the trajectory, though. Here's the center of the group. So we got 1, 2, 2.5 inch drop at 25 yards. Okay. So 2.5 inch drop at 25 yards. Right here is the center of this one. So that drop is 1.25 inches at 20 yards. That's what I wanted to know. Now at 15, it is about 3/4 of an inch. Okay. And at 10 yards, let's see where it grouped at. It's right in the center, right there. Okay. So that's how much the drop is with those pellets at each distance. All right, really good rifle for the money. Really easy to cock. It says 19 pounds of cocking effort, but I don't even know if it's that much. This is a reconditioned rifle I got on Pyramid Air for with my discount and everything like that. Came with 2 tins of pellets and a shooting stand. What's a target, you know, that goes in circles. Anyways, I got all that for $58 total with shipping and tax and everything. So, really good deal. So I'm really happy with this thing. Really accurate, you know, for a little break barrel rifle. Wow. It's really easy to load and everything. I was going to use the fiber optic sights today, but I didn't. But this thing just breaks open so easy. I mean, just boom, just like that. And then the pellets fit in real snug. The only time I had one come out is when I reopened the barrel. I didn't remember if it was loaded or not. So right there, they go right in, and you have to push them in a little bit. Ready to go. Nice. I got this little tiny scope on it. Works really good. It's probably a 4x32 or something like that. I don't remember. I bought it a long time ago, dirt cheap. It's a center point. So, and the recoil pads right here, and the safety is manual. All in all, it's a really good little rifle. Alrighty. This is a more thorough review than I did before.